Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most welcome to Asedoskitchen. Today we are making air fryer chicken thighs. I start by combining vegeta, onion powder, garlic powder, sweet paprika, black pepper and salt to form a dry rub seasoning and set it aside. I cleaned the chicken earlier, so I now trim off excess skin and fat. I cover both sides of the chicken with the seasoning mix and olive oil. Then I rub it onto the chicken until all chicken pieces are well coated. I've listed all the spices plus the quantities in the description box down below, so please check that out. I place them in the air fryer with the skin side up and cook for 15 minutes at 200 degrees. I flip the chicken and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. I turn the skin side up for the last 2 minutes to crisp up the skin. The chicken thighs are now ready to serve, and the aroma in the kitchen is so good. If you like this recipe, kindly smash the like button and share this video with your friends and family. For many more simple recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be alerted every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.